Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live, mga kapuso, naghisgot ang magyutag pamilya kaganiha karong buntaga sa Spotlight Sab Pampagaanta. Atong ilailahon, mga kapuso, kining magtiayon nga Pinoy. Nagbase ni sila karon sa Canada apan karong bag-o nag-viral kining video ni Mr. Atol mismo sa ilang kasal dihang iyang giharana ang iyang hamiling kapikas. Atong ilailahon sila karong buntaga, mga kapuso, magtiayon nga Terence og Frances Lelis. Good morning!
Good morning!
Magandang umaga sa inyo.
Magandang umaga po
lahat.
sa inyo.
Thank you so much for joining us mula dito po sa Cebu. Thank you for joining us, Ma'am Terence and Sir Francis. Happy New Year. Can you tell us...
Happy New Year.
Thank you so much. Can you tell us, sir, about your love story? When and where did you meet?
Online.
Online. So that was in 2013. So Frances happened to be my little sister's batchmate in high school. And then my sister shared one video that I uploaded, which a song, and then Francis commented on it, and then we started talking, and then that was the start.
Actually, yung video na shinare niya, it happened to be my favorite song. It's called In My Life. And ayun, yun yung nagpa-attract sa akin.
So parang early on po, Ma'am Frances, parang nabighani ka na sa talent ni sir.
Yes, kasi mahilig ako sa kumakanta. Oo.
Sir Terence, ano pong nagustuhan nyo kay Ma'am Frances, sir?
I must admit that the first thing that really attracted me and fascinated me was the looks. So I saw this girl commented on my video, and I was like, this girl's so cute, and she thinks that I sing good, so maybe we can talk. And then so and then we started talking.
How long have you been dating before you decided to get married po?
So 2013 to 2016.
So 3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
Apart though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but we got engaged in just 9 months.
Yeah,
No,
so-
a year. Yeah, we got engaged. In 1 year. So I used to work in Saudi Arabia. I was a flight attendant there for 5 years too. Yun. So all throughout the relationship, talagang long distance relationship kami. LDR kung tawagin.
Ano pong sikreto ng LDR? Kasi sabi na ilang mga couples, of course, challenging talaga itong long distance relationship.
We just believed in what we had, and that's everything we were holding on to, and especially with God. So with the help of God, because we pray a lot, that's our key factor.
Siguro yun yung isa sa pinaka-biggest na nakapagpatatag sa amin. Praying together kahit na magkalayo kami.
Can you take us back to your wedding day 2016, sir? Ba't mo naman naisipan na umawit during wedding day? At bakit Beautiful in White po yung pinili mong kanta?
Back in 2012, there was this one couple. They requested this song "Beautiful in White," and they wanted me to sing this at their wedding. And then as I was learning that song, so back then I was brokenhearted, I was bitter, I didn't believe in love, I was desperate, I was lonely, single. And then as I was singing this song, I felt like, I think this song is moving me. So it's like it's telling me something. It's like I'm not just singing this. It's like it's making me feel something. And then it's just that I said to myself, someday I'm gonna get married. I'm gonna find the right woman for me. And on our wedding, I'm going to sing this song. It's like I promised to myself, I'm going to do it. I was nearly crying in that video, as you can see. But I just wanted to get it done. It's because I wanted to give my wife to be that incredible experience.
Speaking of serenade, Sir Terence, kung may isang kanta ngayon, sir, that you'd like to dedicate to your lovely wife, sir, a song that would best describe you as a couple right now, pwede bang humingi ng sample, sir? Pang-dedicate na rin kay Ma'am Frances.
I was not so happy being lonely, living without you. So I prayed so hard for your love. In my heart, I needed you. So I looked up in the sky, and I'm thinking, why, oh why? These are all the many changes in my life.
Wow. How is it like pala at home, Ma'am Frances? You were saying, so panay serenade po si sir sa inyo, ma'am, araw-araw?
Yes. Request ako, kakantahan niya ako.
Lalo na pag
Especially at
nagagalit
night.
siya.
Kung may mga natutunan po kayo, Sir Terence, Ma'am Frances, about love, anong gusto nyong, what have you learned, mga realizations nyo, and then ano gusto nyo i-share sa mga tao ngayon, lalo't New Year ngayon, siguro yung iba, mga optimistic ngayon sa, of course, na mag-i-improve yung kanilang love life.
Just always believe in love, and always have faith in God, and that's all it takes.
Para sa akin naman, okay, this is for both men and women. Never lose faith in God. He already prepared your love story. May blueprint na tayong lahat noon, di pa man tayo pinapanganak sa mundong ito.
Wow.
Right.
Always believe in love at tsaka in God's perfect time, di ba, ma'am, sir?
That's right. That's right.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning and inspiring our viewers. Daghang salamat. Gikan dinhi sa Cebu. Of course, si Sir Terence o si Ma'am Frances. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, Nico.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to
Nico.
everyone.
Thank you.